Did you know that all natural gas appliances that you as the consumer purchase are tested for compliance to safety standards to ensure they are fit for purpose? When purchasing a natural gas appliance or equipment, ensure the following. Appliances must have a safe appliance stamp on the packaging. And for equipment, a safe gas equipment permit must be obtained from the supplier. A valid COC must also be obtained from your gas practitioner for any gas work that has been done. Egoli gas, as per the natural gas bylaws, are only allowed to work on the natural gas pipeline up to your property boundary. Should any Egoli gas employee be suspected or paid to work on your internal reticulation and/or equipment, it may be reported to illegal connection at egoligas.co.za. For any emergencies or pressure problems, please contact 011 726 4702 or email gasemergency@egoligas.co.za or report these emergencies via our website. Please make use of our emergency channels for a suspected leak outside of your boundary wall. For a suspected leak within your property or at your appliance, immediately turn off your gas by using the shutoff valve and contact your gas practitioner immediately for an assessment. For licensed gas practitioners, visit saccgas.co.za. We value you as our loyal customer and care for your safety and well-being.